I'm about to share with you my top 3 reasons why you should join LiveGood, not tomorrow, not next week, but right now. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I have been a member of LiveGood for a little over 3 months, and I can honestly say this is one of the best online business opportunities out there right now. Thousands of people are joining LiveGood every week, and there's no signs of it slowing down at all. So with that being said, here are my top 3 reasons why you should join LiveGood ASAP. Reason number 1 is it's low cost to get started. Now, to be a member and an affiliate of LiveGood, it will cost you $49.95. Now, this is how that breaks down. It costs you $40, a one-time $40 fee to become a LiveGood affiliate. Now, as an affiliate, this allows you to be able to earn an unlimited income, and we'll talk about that later. So $40 to become an affiliate and $9.95 for your LiveGood membership. So after you pay the $49.95 one time, right, all you need to do is pay $9.95 a month to keep your LiveGood membership active. That's it. So yes, you can have your own online business for $10 a month. Reason number 2 is LiveGood actually has high quality and affordable products. Now, right now, as I'm making this video, the product line is pretty much based around health and wellness, which is a multi-billion-dollar industry. So right now we have things like organic protein, multivitamins, pain relief, CBD, amino acids, things like that. But here's the thing. They are planning on expanding their product line in the months and the years to come because they are planning on competing with Amazon. They want to be the Amazon of network marketing, and the way it's looking, they gonna be that. So you can actually feel good about being a part of LiveGood. You can feel good about promoting the products and taking the product. Oh, and one more thing about the products. You might be thinking, oh man, I was all good, but I don't wanna take no products. I don't wanna sell no products. Here's the thing with LiveGood. You don't have to buy any products if you don't want. There is no damn requirement to buy any products, any supplements, anything if you don't want to, and you still can make money. And reason number 3 why you need to join LiveGood right now is the earning potential. When I tell you this is one of the best compensation plans that I've ever seen online, and I've been doing this for 18 years, it's the bomb. All right. So not only will you get $25 startup commissions, right, anytime somebody becomes a member of LiveGood, but you actually gonna earn a 50% matching bonus for every person that you personally bring into LiveGood. Now, you gotta really get involved with the company and understand how massive this is, but I'll just give you a short example. Say, for example, you bring in just, one person, right? Just say you bring in one person, and this person goes above and beyond. They a grinder, they a true go-getter, entrepreneur. They bout this life, right? And they may end up making, just say, $8,000 in their matrix. I mean, they really would have to bust ass, but just say they did, right? And just because you personally brung them into LiveGood, you are going to get $4,000 a month, 50% of what they bring in, right? Think about that for a second. Now imagine if you just had, 20 people in there or 50 people that you bring into LiveGood. You're going to get a 50% matching bonus of whatever they make in their matrix. Now that in itself should be motivating enough for you to want to get started with LiveGood. And to be honest with you, there are several other reasons why you should be joining LiveGood, but these are my top 3. If you haven't done it yet, click the first link in the description of this video and take the 5-minute LiveGood tour. You will be blown away. All right, take the tour right now, and I will see you on the team.